Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Vinny's Artisan Journey. I'm so excited to see you guys again today. Christmas is around the corner and let us explore the fun of my new creation, my Artisan Christmas tree. I'm just utilizing whatever that I can find at home using some recyclable items. So here I have a real branches of tree and a semi-round polyform which I have cut the hole in the center to hold the tree branch. Now after the insertion of tree branches, I fill in the gap of the hole with the remaining polyform which I have cut earlier. Now I seal it up with some tape so that it looks tidy. I'm using some cotton wool as part of the decor for the tree branches so that it appears like some snow. I have some festive gift box here which appear like a Christmas ball, so I hang it all over the branches of the tree. These are some shredded paper which appear in pastel colors that I'm going to cover the polyform as the base of the decor. I'm displaying the shredded paper in 3 different colors here. I have a collection of Easter balls here which appear in different pictures and paintings which I will be displaying around the base of the Christmas tree to make it fun. Well, if you are familiar with this Beauty and the Beast movie, I'm sure you'll remember this display or decor called Enchanted Rose. It is a rose being kept in a glass bell jar which is believed to be lasted like for a decade. And this is my collection in a mini jar which comes with the chain together, so I'm going to hang it all around the branches of the tree. There you are. I hope you like my Artisan Christmas tree. Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan Journey. I hope you enjoyed the entire session of my video. Please support me by subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Till then, goodbye.